Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for all the support that you are doing, and I really feel very happy to make videos for you all and share my knowledge. Today is the expiry day, 8th of June, and what a beautiful expiry. The Nifty has taken a beautiful reversal, even the back Nifty has taken a beautiful reversal, and it is actually one of, I would say it's a really expiry day, like where you really want to see the momentum coming in. But identifying the correct trend is very, very important. Today, my topic is going to be something different. I'm going to talk about the reversal trades. But before that, those who have joined new, I just want to tell you people, join me on my Telegram channel where I keep posting my research. And see here, I have given PNB housing for a buy above 350. And I just want to show you how it has moved today. PNB housing. So this is how PNB housing looks. And look at the huge breakout that it has given. In one day itself, about 16% move. Have a look at it. 14%, 15% move the stock has given, right? Just yesterday and today, 14% move has been given by this particular stock. So just remain connected, and again, you will all just copy the link from here. I mean, you can just type it, StockPro official SEBI registered. Write down the whole thing. There are 3,65,000 members, and you will keep seeing my picture on the channel. Rest of the channels cannot post my picture, so you will keep looking into my picture, time and again. Here, like live trading session, you will keep finding the link for live trading, etc. So this is the channel where you need to join, and you can just copy it here, StockPro _ official _ Bank Nifty, and this is all free, right? There is no need to join my course thing. You just buy, book profit, and exit. Like kal ke liye, for tomorrow, I've given a trade on Tata Elxsi. You can buy this one, right, above 8820. Just why I have given this, I will show you quickly. Tata Elxsi, it has been under accumulation for a long period of time. And when this high is broken, which is 8816, 8820, that's when I will be taking an entry into it. A lot of buying has been happening in the stock. All right. So, and have a look at the bottom. Here, the huge volumes have come, but today it could not cross this high, whichever day. And now, if it breaks this high, I'm 100% sure for a target of 9,300 or 400. Right? That's the target I can look for. So let's start today's topic, and today I'm going to talk about how do you find out if there is a reversal happening in this stock, right? So there are a lot of things that you can have a look at. So this is the first stock. This is 11th May in the same stock, which is Tata Elxsi. Now, how do you know whether the stock is reversing? I'm going to ask you a simple question. I just made a Hindi video. In case those who do not understand English, they want a Hindi version of it, please go to my Hindi channel, right? I'll just quickly show you where is my Hindi channel, and just go there and watch Hindi version of the same video. This is my StockPro Hindi, right? If you open it, StockPro Hindi, just type StockPro Hindi, you will find this with about 8,500 सब्सक्राइबर्स. आप लोग यहाँ जाके मेरे इसी वीडियो को देखिए. मैंने डिफरेंट एग्जांपल लेके आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन किया है. This is my English video, English channel, and I'm going to be talking about reversal today. How do you find whether the stock is reversing or not reversing, right? And I'm 100% sure a lot of you are going to write that it's easy to do the postpartum. So I am just not doing the postpartum. I'm going to give you an example which you can see tomorrow, right? So here is this trade Tata Elxsi, and have a look at this place. This place is where the buyers have entered. Now, how do we know buyers have entered here? Just have a look at it. The price has been falling down, right? For many days, the price has been falling down. Let's say this price is being dropped by, let's say, 10 people. 10 people are exiting this stock, right? They are building up the momentum to sell the stock. I'm taking a very small number. Let's say 10 million people are exiting this stock. And how much force will be required to stop this momentum? How much force from this side will be required to stop? Just write it in the comment box let's say, so before you're going to write it, let me also tell you, but please write it so that I know that you're listening to me carefully. But equal amount of force will be required from the opposite side to stop this fall. So if 10 million people are exiting it, 10 million people have to enter to stop the momentum, and to take it up, more than 10 million people will be required. So this is where the momentum will start in the stock, right? And now how does the confirmation come? When you see a gap up opening. The day you see a gap up opening, you know that the stance of the stock is positive, right? Hope you understand this bit. Agar nahi, if you have not understood, please write it in the comment box. I will further explain. Now, this is a day of 11th May. What I'm going to do, so we go to 11th of May and see what is happening in this particular stock on that day. So here we come to 11th of May. This is 11th of May here on this day, this. And what happened, you know, the stock's low, first 15 minutes candle low was broken. And then almost like at 1 o'clock, huge buyers entered into the stock. So much so that the price closed almost like above the today's high, close to that. That means buyers, sellers, and the buyers had the equal strength, right? After that, next day again a doji, and third day there is a gap up opening, and this gap up opening actually explained that the stock is about to move up. So what matters is the gap up opening. Why? Because gap up opening tells you, gap up opening I cannot do, you cannot do, people like us cannot do it. It has to be institution who will do the gap up. Why? Because before market opens, one party, a seller party and a buyer party has to have an agreement for huge buying, and then the gap up takes place. A lot of emotions have to change about the stock. People have to believe that the stock is now undervalued, and now let's go for a buy. So this gap up opening kind of ensured that stock is planning to go up. It moved from 7,185 to 8,800, right? So this is how reversal takes place. So this similar kind of reversal takes place from the top. Now see here, look at this doji, this candle. So the stock price was going up and up and up, and there was this doji that formed. Now what are we looking for? We are looking for a gap down opening, right? Because it's a reversal in the opposite direction. So let me mark this candle, and next few days there are these inside candles only. There are these inside candle only. The gap down begins only this date, which is on 12th of April, right? Which is on this particular day, 12th of April. The gap down happened, and after that, if you get the confirmation with open equal to high, look at the drop that price had, right? So reversal is a combination of three candlestick patterns. First, the trend has to continue. There has to be a price rejection from the lower level, and then within few days there should be a gap up opening, right? What do you call this kind of a structure when you believe that the price is going to go up, or what do you believe this structure when you believe that the price is going to go down? Please write in the comment box. And in case you want to watch the video, and I have made a video, extensive video on candlestick pattern, you can go to my channel and you can watch the video about candlestick pattern, right? You can watch the video about candlestick pattern. I'll just show you, or maybe you can go here in the playlist, you go to the technical course, and in the technical course you will be able to find a very nice video on candlestick pattern here, important money making candlestick pattern. So watch it and understand it. Now a lot of you are going to believe that I'm doing a postmortem. No, I'm not doing a postmortem. I'm teaching you. But anyway, that choice is yours. You want to learn or you want to write ulta seedha comment, choice is yours. I'm giving you a trade which may get some reversal from here. The trade is, the stock is Asian Paints. Watch it for a few days. In case you get tomorrow a gap up opening, you definitely have a buying opportunity, right? So the stock has come to a previous support, right? From the previous support, 2600 is a good support. Stock is taking a good support. There's a price reversal. In case there is gap up opening tomorrow, and if it is open equal to low, you must understand that the buyers have entered in the stock. One more thing that I would like to show you, that today the stock opened gap down, but the first candle's low was never broken. See here, this low was never broken, and high got taken out today towards the end because Nifty and Back Nifty recovered from the lower levels. So this is a very good opportunity for you to understand whether what I'm teaching works or not. So I definitely expect you to write the candlestick pattern that I'm talking about. What do you call when it is from the bottom, what do you call when it is from the top, and what can be expected. And this is what I wanted to teach you. Keep learning, keep earning, and keep sharing my videos. And choice is yours. You find the content good, give a thumbs up. If you like my work, share it with others, and all the best. See you in the next video.